Hello all, welcome to the video. I am Dr.M.Nithya, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we have to see about sampling methods. In that we have to see the sampling errors. This video clearly explains how avoid or reduce the sampling error and bias. What is sampling error? Sampling error are the difference between sample value and the actual population value. This is because a sample does not accurately represent the whole population of the data. Since there was a mistake in collecting the data, the result from the sampling are longer valid. Also, when a sample is chosen randomly or because of bias, it does not represent the whole population and sampling error are likely to happen. It is possible to avoid them if analyze carefully, choose the representative subsets of the data from which is drawn conclusion about their entire population. Factor including the sample size and design, diversity in the population and sampling percentage all contribute to the sampling errors. Diversity in the population increase the error in the estimation since the causes of sampling to produce the mixed result. Increasing the size of samples allow them to represent the population more accurately, reducing the impact on population variation. It is important to consider the sampling error before reporting the survey result to establish confidence in the reliability of the estimation and their conclusion. How to choose the correct sample size? Finding the best sample size for your target population is something you will need to do again and again, as it is different for the every study. To make life easier, we will provide the sample size calculator to use. You need to know your population size, confidence level, margin of error. If any those terms are unfamiliar, have you look at your blog post on their determined sample size for the detail. What do they mean about how to find them? Types of common sampling error in the market research. Here are the top 4 market research error while sampling. For common sampling error, it is sampling frame error, sampling error, population specification error, selection error. Population specification error. A population specification error occurs when the researcher don't know the previously who to the survey. For example, imagine a research study about the kids' apparel. Who is the right person to survey? It can be both parents, only the mother or child. The parent make purchase decision, but the kids may influence their choice. Sample frame error. Sampling frame error occurs when the researcher targets the subpopulation wrongly while selecting the sample. For example, picking the sample frame from the telephone white pages book may have enormous inclusion because people shift their cities. Enormous exclusion occur when the people prefer to unlist their numbers. Wealthy household may have more than one connection, thus leading to the multiple inclusions. Selection error. Selection error occurs when the respondents self-select themselves to participate in the study. You can control the selection error by going to extra step to request the respondents from their entire sample. Only interested ones respond. Pre-survey planning, follow-ups and need to clean survey design will boost the respondents' participation rate, and also try sampling method like CATI survey and in-person interview to maximize the response. Sampling errors. Sampling errors occurs due to the disparity in the representativeness of the respondents. It majorly happens when the researcher does not plan his sample carefully. The sampling errors can be controlled and eliminated by creating careful sample design, having a large enough sample reflect the entire population, or using an online sample or survey audience to collect the response. Thank you.